change Steam username. Your Steam username is the initial thing your opponent will view when you play a game or start chatting, so it's necessary to have a good one from the get-go. Whereas if you're unsatisfied with the Steam username you select while setting up your account for the first time, the process of changing your Steam username is easy and direct. Gat Insider has compiled a step-by-step guide to learning about changing your Steam username along with additional useful details. Here's how to change Steam username on desktop app. On the Steam desktop app, hover over your username at the top of your window. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. On your profile page, navigate to the right-hand sidebar and select Edit Profile. On the next page, find the profile name form and enter the new username you'd like to use. When you've finished, scroll down and select Save at the bottom of the page. How to change your Steam username on mobile app. Launch the Steam app and tap your profile picture in the upper right. Tap View Profile below your current username and the banner at the top. On your profile page, tap Edit Profile. On the next page, scroll down until you see the profile name. Delete the existing name and replace it with your new username. Don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of this page and select Save when you're finished. The difference between Steam username, Steam ID, and Steam account name. Various Steam users are clueless about the difference between a Steam username, Steam ID, and Steam account name. The Steam username is the public profile name and can be modified. While creating a Steam account, you must choose a unique Steam ID connected to your account. Your Steam ID is part of your custom URL, starting with a few digits. To change your Steam ID, follow the steps here, but click or tap the field under Custom URL. Once you're done, don't forget to scroll down and click or tap on Save. While creating a Steam account, you must choose an account name, which is required during the sign-in process. The Steam account name is permanently tied to your Steam account.